big, right? So let's look at 2022 paper 2. That is internal examination. Now question number 7. Question 7 has got 3 parts. It has part A, part B, and part what? Part C. So let's look at part A first time. So part A, it's a question on approximations. Okay? It's saying express 0.3475 in standard form. Correct? To 2 significant figures. So this question carries 2 marks, right? So we have been given this number 0.3475. Now we are told to express or to write this number in what? Standard what? Form. So we are going to write first, the formula is A times 10 raised to the power n, where this n is the integer. Now the integer can either be positive or what? Negative. Are we together? Then this number, this A is a number which is 1 plus. When I say 1, it should start from 1, but should be less than what? Less than 10. Right? Yes. Yeah. Now this number, we cannot put this number where A is, because this number is less than 1, right? So we need to increase this number. Okay? So the only way we can increase this number is by moving this decimal place, and you put this decimal place in between what? 3 and what? 4. So we're going to have 3.475 multiplied by 10 raised to the power n. Now n, that is the integer. So how many decimal places have we moved? Only the 1. But looking at the nature of the number, if this number is less than 1, hence the integer is going to be negative. So negative what? 1. So we've written this number in standard form, but the question is, the condition is, we need to write this number correct to how many significant? 2 significant what? Because so just consider 2 numbers which are important time. So which are so 3 and 4. So we're going to say 3 point. Now before I write this 4, you can get 1 from this 7 and you add this to what? To 4. So it becomes 3 point what? 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power negative 1. So this is our answer. I hope you got this one correct, people. Very good. Now, let us look at a question on statistics. Okay? It's saying the frequency table shows the marks obtained by grade 8 learners in mathematics at a certain one school. So this table, it is showing the marks obtained by what? Grade 8 what? Learners in mathematics at a certain school. Now this table has got 2 rows. The first row, it is showing the marks they obtained, right? In terms of the range. Okay? Then the second row, it is showing the frequency, meaning the number of what? Learners. Okay? So those who got 40 to 44, they were how many? 3. Those who got 45 to 49, they were how many? 10. Then we have 50 to 54, they were how many? They were 3. Is it okay, guys? Yes. Then 55 to 59, they were how many? They were 4. And then the question is saying now, calculate the mean mark. They want us to find the what? The mean mark. Okay? So the mean as a formula, so it's a mean which is x bar. It is denoted by x bar. That's a symbol used. Okay? Is equal to summation of the frequency multiplied by the midpoint over the summation of the frequency. Is it okay? That's the formula we use. Now, firstly, we have the frequency. These are the frequencies, right? But what we don't have is the midpoint, which is x. We don't have x, so we need to find x. Okay? We need to find x on each one. On each point. Are we together? Yes. So in this range, we need to find x midpoint even on this one. So what is the midpoint of a range 40 to 44? It's what? The number which is in between is what? 42. Yeah. It's 42. Then the number in between 45 to 49 is what? It's 47. 47, okay? Then the number which is in between 50 and 54 is what? 50 what? 2. The number in between what? 55 to 59 is what? 57 now. those who are unable to know what we're doing, okay? What we're doing is like the first range is 40 to what? 45. So we're saying the number which is in between the midpoint is what? 42. So if we count 40, let's say 41, then 40 what? 42, then 40 what? 3 and 40 what? 44. You realize the number which is in between, it's 42, which is our x side, the midpoint. Is it okay? Then the other, it's what? 40, 45 to what, guys? Is it 49? So when you count 45, 46, 47, 48, and 40 what? The number which is in between is what? 47. So this is our what? Midpoint. You do the same to 50 to 55. 55 to what? Then you can now proceed and say x bar, which is mean x bar is equal to multiply the frequency times the midpoint. So the first frequency is what? It's 3. So it's a 3 multiplied by what, guys? 40. Is it 42? Which is the midpoint time. Plus, take note and take your time. Our frequency is what? 10. 10 multiplied by its corresponding midpoint is what? 47. Plus, our frequency is what? 3 multiplied by its corresponding midpoint is what? 52 plus the last frequency is what, guys? Is it 4? 4 multiplied by what is our midpoint? Is it 57, guys? Yes. Very good. Then you divide by the what? By the total frequency. So the total frequency, what you do is just add 3 plus what? 10. Very good. Plus what, guys? 3 plus what? 4. Are we together, guys? Then you can move on and say x bar is equal to, now let's multiply this. Let's take our time. You know 3 times 2 is what? It's 6. Is it okay? Then 3 times 4 is what? 12. So I'm saying 3 times 2 is what? 6, right? 6, right? Then 3 times 4 is 12. Is it okay? So we have 126. Is it okay? Plus, then 1 times 47 is what? You get 47. But we have this divided. So we have 470. Is it okay? Then the next one is, this one's supposed to be 50 what? 52, but I've written, check for me these figures, right? So here you can even multiply and say 2 times 3 is what? It's 6. Is it okay? 6. Then 3 times 5 is what? I hope this one is correct now, right? Plus. Then the last figure, that side, it's what? Is it 57? Check for me. Times what? Times 4. So what are we getting here? Look at this one. 4 times 7 is 28, right? So you write 8 carry forward what? Carry forward 2. Is it 5? Then 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2, get 22. Is it? Yes. I hope now these figures are correct, right? Yes. Okay. 2 what? 228, then divided by, when you add the frequencies, what are we getting? 20. Okay, thank you. So let's see where the 20 is coming from, right? So 3 plus 10, 18 plus 3, 16 plus 4, get what? 20. Very good. Then when you add the numerator, what are we going to get? This plus this plus this plus this, get what? 900 what? 8. So 980 divided by what, guys? 20. Very good. So x bar is equal to, you realize this and this are going to go in. We have 98 divided by what, guys? Divided by 2. Is it okay? So x bar, thank you. Because now, guys, 2 into 9 is what? 4. It's 4. Remember? You put this one becomes 89. 2 into 18 is what? It's 9. So the answer is what? 49 marks as our what? As our mean 9. Now let's look at the last question, which is question C. A question it said, now move on, guys. On the x or y plane, this is our x or y plane, right? X or y plane, right? Or you can also call it a Cartesian plane, right? Cartesian what? Plane. Okay? They are saying this is a very, very simple question, right?
Yes.
Plot the points. So point P is what? 1, comma, negative 2. And ensure that you just check for me these coordinates. Right? Check for me the way these coordinates are. In case I made the mistake in terms of writing, check for me these coordinates. Right? If they are just okay. Okay? So P is what, guys? P is 1, comma, negative 2. Check for me. Okay? 1, comma, negative 2. So let us plot 1, comma, negative 2. So when they say, guys, 1, comma, negative 2, are we together?
Yes.
The one it is for x. The one is what? The one is for x, then negative 2 is what? Y. So you go in the x-axis. Aye. You identify where 1 is. So this is 1, aye? But I said comma negative 2. So you move down 1, this comma negative 2 in the y. This is where the point is, aye? This is 1 comma negative 2. Okay? This is 1 comma what? Negative 2. Is it okay, people? Then that is our point what? Point P. Then point Q, guys, is what? 6, comma, negative 2. Are we together? Remember, the 6 is for x. Then negative 2 is for what? Y. So where is 6 in the x-axis? This is 6, right? Comma what? Negative 2 downward. This is where negative 2 in the y is, right? So you move like this straight. Okay? Are we together? So they are meeting, right? Are we together, guys? Are we together? So take note, guys, that this point is our P, okay? And show that you label. Then this is our what? This is our Q. Is it fine with you? Very good. Then what is our point R? R is what, guys? 6, comma 1. 6 is for x. Aye. So you go where 6 is in the x-axis, aye? Comma 1, this is 6. Then in the y-axis is what? 1. This is the point, right? 6, comma 1. Are we together? This is our point what? R. Is it okay, guys? Then the other one is what? 1, comma 1. The other one is what? Which is point what? S. S is 1, comma what? 1. Are we together, guys? 1, comma 1. So you go in the, this is 1 in the x-axis. Then in the y is 1, right? So 1, comma 1 is here. 1, comma 1 is where the point is. And this is our point what? Point S. Are we together? So we've plotted according to the first question saying plot the points P, Q, R, and S. We've plotted. So we've answered the first question. We've answered the first question. Are we together, people? Yes. Now, the other question is saying join the points P, Q, R, and S to form a quadrilateral. You know a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral, it is the four-sided polygon, right? So they want us to join the point. So let's join. So we can join this to this side. P to S. Then R to Q. Are we together, guys? Then P to what? P to Q. Join with the ruler nice, right? Then R to what, guys? R to S like this. Are we together? We are done. We've joined, right? Is it okay? Then the last question is saying draw the graph of y equals 3. This is a very, very simple question. Y is equal to 3. What you do is, you just go in the y-axis where 3 is, right? Where is 3 in the y-axis? This is 3, right? And come up with a what? A straight what? A straight line. Are we together? You come up with a what? A straight line like this. And you say this is y is equal to what? Is equal to 3. You are done. As simple as that. Are we together? Yes.